Hello, my name is Sarah Valentine and I'm an accent and dialect coach. And I've set up a thing called the Accent Fund. Now, the Accent Fund, how does it work? Basically, if you've got lots of money and you would like to support young aspiring actors who, as usual, as actors, we never really have any money. So if you'd like to help an actor learn an accent, or help anybody learn an accent for that matter, you can donate money to the Accent Fund. And what we'll do is that you can donate your money, and it can be anonymous, or you can pop your name in there. And on our website, you will see the money you've donated and how much it was. And if you put your name as anonymous, we'll leave it as anonymous. But if you want to have your name there, we can do that too. And then on one page, you'll have the people who have donated the money. And then on the other page, you'll see the people who have received the accent courses. And so you'll be able to see both sides of who's got what. So if you're an actor and you're wanting to apply to the Accent Fund, all you need to do is film yourself, upload that video to YouTube, and then email it to me at sarah@actorsaccentcoach.com, just telling me a little bit about who you are and why you would like to do an accent course. And then you will receive a DIY accent course. Or if there's enough funds in the Accent Fund, you could possibly get a one-to-one with me. So if you just put in your video what it is that you would like to learn, and whether you want to do a DIY accent online course or a one-to-one with me, you just let me know and we can see what we can do. So to the people who have got the money, please donate to the Accent Fund, and to the actors who need the accent courses, send me a video and let me know what it is you'd like to learn. All right, hopefully between everybody, we'll all win. All right, thank you.